Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna just go through quickly of the A7 III, my rental camera. So I rented this camera just for just explore a little bit like what's out there, and then expand my perspective and improve my knowledge like what's out there. I haven't shot any full frame camera before, so this will be a good chance just to improve my perspective. So let's go quickly. So file format, I shoot JPEG. As many of you know, for the new followers, I shoot JPEG only because I'm shooting as a hobby and my full-time job is software engineer. I don't want to spend hours to edit a raw picture. So I'm not a professional shooter, so I'm just shooting casually. I use the JPEG quality. I try the extra fine so that I have more room to edit in the VSCO in my iPhone later. So this aspect ratio I didn't change. This color space I didn't change. I heard a lot of people talking about the Adobe also, but I just remain to the sRGB for different devices. And next one, so Sony has a lot more menu options to go to. Seems like than my Fujifilm cameras. I have to do lots of research like IAF stuff also. So this one I didn't change much. Focus mode, it was before it was not continuous AF, and thanks to some Sony people commented saying I should use the continuous AF combo with the IAF. So good to know. Thank you so much. And I didn't change this one much. Pre-AF, I didn't set it. So let me go next one. Exposure. Okay, yeah, this one I changed. By the way, I use the A mode all the time, so aperture priority modes, and the ISO auto. If you have seen my Fujifilm camera, I set the auto, and then ISO minimum 100, maximum 12800. So use the max when it's nighttime. So, and then minimum shutter speed, I use the same one that I set up in my Fujifilm cameras. It's 1/125. So that's the minimum shutter speed that I like to have sharp images. And metering mode, set it default, and that's it. I didn't change any other stuff. So let me go through quickly those that I didn't change. White balance, so this one in the previous video I used these two, for instance daylight and day white, and then daylight. These two I used to create warm tone because I'm shooting a lot of like fall style, so it's warmer. And at night I feel like I just do auto white balance a little bit. So yeah, so these two I use it more. So you can adjust the RGB also, but I didn't adjust much, so I just go back. And okay, creative style, I didn't know this was one of the options before, so I haven't shot on this creative style yet, but I might try the deep creative style. I will take a look to see how it goes, because I did saturation -1 and then sharpness +1 for the deep. So I will take a couple pictures in my next shoot just to see how it goes for the deep creative style. And that's it. I'll go back to the standard, and then the standard one. So let me go back, picture effect. So these two I didn't change this. So next, tab 2, exposure mode, I didn't change this one. Let's see, AF driving speed normal. So if you've seen anything that is important for from Sony user perspective, you can just comment below. This is my first time shooting full frame and shooting Sony also, so like Sony A7 series. And so the menu, I still need to adjust to it. I'm still using Fujifilm as a mainly, so this is just a rental for 1 month just to test it out, how it goes. Yeah. So I didn't change all these settings. Okay, next come to custom key. So at first I couldn't find where the IAF is, and then I did some like Google search and then find some people saying it's better to use AEL button to customize at the page 4 of 22 page. 22 pages, and then you can customize different things. So I use an IAF for this in this AEL. So when you hold in it, it has IAF already. And for the custom 3 button, I have focus mode on, and then creative style, I set it for the bottom in the custom button 4. That's in the bottom button right there, and that's it. That's my custom changes. And let me go back. What else did I change? I didn't change any movie things. I didn't set up the Wi-Fi setting either, so I might set it up later. And monitor brightness, that's it. That's the only thing I changed. So I will try a little bit of the creative style in my next shoot just to let you know how it goes. And thank you so much for watching this quick video, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.